Good morning everyone. Assalamualaikum, alaikum salam, alhamdulillah, kifal halik. So for today, we are going to discuss or to tackle the client consultation. So what comes first in our mind when we say client consultation? So client consultation, it is the process where the care expert and the client meet together because meron silang ipapagawang services. So first, kailangan natin alamin ang main concern ni client. So, aalamin mo kung ano yung gusto niya ipagawa. It's either hair cutting, hair coloring, or any hair treatment sa kanyang hair. Tapos, it is imperative to know the client condition or hair condition ni client. Why? When we say imperative, very crucial or very essential. Kailangan malaman natin yung hair history niya para alam natin kung anong gagawin nating procedure. But sometimes, kasi hindi natin, it is inevitable, hindi natin maiwasan kasi ang minsan ng client nagsisinungaling. So doon nagkakaroon ng future na problema sa kanya. So, napaka-importante talaga na alamin yung kanyang at saka hair history. So, ayun ang ibig sabihin ng client consultation.